হাই ফ্রেন্ডস, আমি তোমাদের হিস্ট্রির উপরে এর আগে আরও অনেক ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন আনসার আপলোড করেছি, আরও করছি। বেসিক্যালি যারা খুব কাজে ব্যস্ত থাকে, বিভিন্ন রকমের কাজ করে, অথচ কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম পড়াশোনা করছে, পড়ার টাইম নেই, আমি তাদের জন্য এই ভিডিওগুলো আপলোড করছি। বিভিন্ন সাবজেক্টের উপরে করব, সব ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন আনসারগুলো আপলোড করছি। তোমরা কানে হেডফোন লাগিয়ে ভালো করে শুনবে, দেখবে সব মুখস্থ হয়ে যাবে। বারবার করে শুনবে, দেখবে মুখস্থ হয়ে যাবে। The image of Buddha were first constructed under answer the Gandhara school of art. Next, which of the following are true with regard to the Gandhara school of art? Answer: Buddha's figure appears here for the first time. Next, Gandhara art flourished during. Answer: Kushana period. Next, in which year was the Shakya era founded? Answer: 78 AD. Next, who is known as Kunik in the history of India? Answer: Ajatashatru. Next, Bimbisara is known as Phrynica. Bindusara known to the Greek as Amritachas. Other names are Singosena, Bhadrashara. Next, Ras Tarangini was written by Ansar Kalhan. Next, the Ras Tarangini was written in Sanskrit by Kalhan, who was a Kashmir Brahmin. Next, the work consists of 78 uh, the work consists of 7826 verses, which are divided into 8 books called Taranga's Waves. Next, Ras Tarangini was translated into Persian by Joinul Abidin. Next, there are 4 English translations of Ras Tarangini by Ranjit Sitaram Pandit, Ars Heman Wilshire, secretary of the Asiatic Society of Bengal in the early 9th century and the first English translator of the Ras Tarangini. Next, Jogesh Chandra Dutt. Next, in which year was Shakabdu started? 78 AD. Next, the Vikram Sambat era was started in 58 BC. The Shakya era was started by Ansar Kanishka. Next, who introduced the Shakya era? Ansar Kanishka. Next, the first capital of Magadha was Ansar Rajgriha. Next, the first capital of Magadha was Rajgriha, modern Rajgir. Then Pataliputra, modern Patna. Pataliputra was founded by Udayin. Next, who was the founder of the Nanda density? Answer: Mahapadananda. Next, the last ruler of Nanda density was Dhanananda. Next, which Magadha ruler was known as Seni? Answer: Bimbisara. Next, Bimbisara was known as Seni. Next, Ajatasattu was known as Kunik. Next, Alexander stayed in India for 9 months. Next, Alexander invaded India in 326 BC but was eventually forced to turn back at the demand of his of his troops. Remained in India for 19 months and died in 323 BC at Babylon at the age of 32. Next, when did the Mathura school of art flourish? Answer: Kushana period. Next, the Mathura school was contemporary with a second important school of Kushan art, that of Gandhara in the northwest, which shows strong Greco-Roman influence. Next, at Mathura we have a headless image of Kanishka. Next, the image of Bodhisattvas began to be erected in Gandhara style. Next, who wrote Buddha Charita? Answer: Ashwagosha. Next, Buddha Charita is the biography of Buddha and Sutralankar. Next, Nagarjuna wrote Madhyamika Sutra. Next, Vashumitra was the chairman of Fourth Buddhist Council. Next, Visakadatta wrote Mudra Rakasa. It is a historical play in Sanskrit that narrates the ascent of the king Chandragupta Maurya to power in India. Next, who was the author of Ras Tarangini? Answer column. Next, Kautilya is the author of Arthashastra. It is an ancient Indian heritage and on statecraft, economic policy, and military strategy. Written in Sanskrit, it is the most important literary source for the Mauryas as it provides economics and political conditions of Mauryas. Next, Megasthenes was the author of Indica. Next, the founder of Nando density was Mahapadda. Next, Mahapadda Nanda Ugrasen was the founder of the Nando density 3442 2323 BC. Next, the ruler of his density were famed for the great wealth which they accumulated. The Nanda Empire was later conquered by Chandragupta Maurya, assisted by Kautilya, overthrew Dhanananda to establish Maurya Empire. Next, Alexander fought against Porus on the banks of the river. Answer Zhila. Next, Alexander fought and won an epic battle against King Porus, who ruled a region in Punjab in the Battle of Hidaspes on banks of Jhelum in 326 BC. Alexander founded two cities and opposite sides of Hydaspes River, naming one Bucephila in honor of his horse, who died around this time. The other was Nikka. Next, identify the foreign people who did not invade India in the ancient period. Answer the slaves. Next, whose contemporary was famous of grammarian Patanjali. Answer Pushyamitra Shunga. Next, who recently discovered ancient Buddhist relics buried under the ground of Central Asia? Answer Augustine. Next, Charvak was the name of a religious school of thoughts. Next, the Chinese traveler Yan Sang came to India during the reign of Harshavardhan. Next, the author of Kadambari was Banbhatta. Next, the Paragal Khan helped in bringing the first ever Bengali translation of the Ansar Mahabharata. Next, Kavindra Parameshwar composed the Bengali Mahabharata imitating the Sanskrit one at the request of Paragal Khan. Next, the Tuluva density was a ruling house of the kingdom of Vijayanagar. Next, the first ruling density of Vijayanagar was Shangama. Next, who was the Muslim Sultan regarded by Hindus as Jagat Guru? Answer Yusuf Adil Shah. Next, who was called grandfather of Andhra poetry? Answer Pedan. Next, the Bahmani kingdom and Vijayanagar empire clashed frequently over the territory of Ansar Raichur Doa. Next, Shah died while attacking Ansar Kalinjar. Next, Abdul Razzaq visited the kingdom of Ansar Devra II. Next, Krishna Deva Rai wrote his famous work Amukto Malloda in Answer Telugu. Next, Amukto Malloda was a work on statecraft. Next, with whom of the following did Shivaji sign the Treaty of Purandar in 1665 AD? Answer Joy Singh. Next, Sri Krishna Vijay Kapo was composed by Answer Maladhar Basu. Next, Maladhar Basu was given the title of Gunraj Khan. Next, Sri Chaitanya Deva flourished during the reign of Answer Hussain Shah. Next, in which year was the Battle of Talikota fought? 1565. Answer. Next, who wrote Amukto Malloda? Answer Krishnadev Rai. Next, under whose orders the Mahabharata was translated in Bengali? Answer Nusrat Shah. Next, Narasingha Saluva was the ruler of Answer Chandragiri. Next, who founded independent Sultanate of Bengal? Answer Ilyas Shah. Next, who was given the title of Andhra Kavita Pitamaha? Answer Pedar. Next, who was the general of Sheshau? Answer Brahmajit Kaur. Next, the founder of the Bahmani kingdom was Answer Alauddin Bahman Shah. Who built the famous Adina Mosque in Bengal? Answer Sikandar Shah. Next, name the Bengali poet who was conferred with the title Gunraj Khan in the Sultanate period. Answer Maladhar Basu. Next, in which year did Muhammad bin Qasim conquer Sindh? Answer 712 AD. Next, he defeated Dahir, the ruler of Sindh. Next, who was the founder of the Bahmani dynasty? Answer Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah. Next, who organized the Council of Baravais? Answer Nana Padmanavis. Next, name the Maratha leader who put forward the ideal of founding Hindu empire before the Marathas. Answer Bajirao first. Next, Bajirao first 1720 gave the ideal of Hindu Patshahi. He defeated Nizamul Mulk near Bhopal and concluded the Treaty of Durai Sarai, by which he got Mallava and Bundelkhand 1737. Next, Balaji Bajirao 1740 to 61, popularly known as Nana Sahib. Next, after the death of Shahu, all affairs passed into his hands. Next, the remains of the Vijayanagar Empire can be found in Ansar Hampi. Next, Ashtadigas were patronized by Ansar Krishnadev Rai. তোমরা অতি অবশ্যই ভিডিওটা ভালো করে হেডফোন কানে লাগিয়ে শুনবে আর লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার করবে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে।